Hello everyone and welcome to another video. I'm Aimee, your e-commerce growth expert, and today I'll show you how to set up Shopify Payments to easily accept payments and manage payouts all in one place. Shopify Payments is a secure and easy-to-use payment system built right into your Shopify store. It allows you to easily accept various payment methods such as credit cards, and it simplifies the payment process and ensures a hassle-free shopping experience for your customers. But why should you choose Shopify Payments? Shopify Payments is like having a really smooth payment system right in your online store's checkout. It's great because you don't have to deal with the extra fees from other payment services. Plus, you can handle all payment related stuff directly from your Shopify admin, making things super easy and convenient. The best part? When you offer Shopify Payments, you not only dodge those extra transaction fees for orders processed through it, but also through ShopPay, ShopPay installments, and PayPal Express. Now, to set up Shopify payments, it's important to meet specific eligibility criteria and bank account requirements. So, for example, your business should be located in a supported country, and the products or services you offer must align with Shopify's policies. Prohibited categories includes items like regulated or illegal products and services, financial products and services, adult products, pseudopharmaceuticals, gambling products and services, and counterfeit products. Also, make sure your business complies with all applicable laws, regulations, and the terms and conditions set by Shopify Payments for your country and industry. Another important thing to note is that your bank account currency should match the location of your store. For a detailed understanding of the requirements and terms, you can always read the Shopify Payments Terms of Service. It's the fine print that explains everything in detail. Here's the step-by-step guide on setting up Shopify Payments. First, head over to your Shopify dashboard and click on Settings, followed by Payments. Activate Shopify Payments to initiate the setup process. From here, fill in essential business details, the name of the owner, contact details, and the business address. Once you're done, this will redirect you to the three-step setup. To start, let's kick off by providing important details about your business. Under the business details, you choose your business type and provide necessary information such as a business number, EIN, or taxpayer identification number depending on which country your business is located in. Don't forget to include your business address. Next, under personal details, you'll need to add information about the owner or significant shareholders. This information is used to verify their identity by Shopify. Now onto the product details. You'll select your business category and subcategory to give a clear picture of what your store sells. Don't forget to add a detailed description here. You also get to customize how your store name and phone number will appear on your customers' bank statements. Finally, you can agree to the terms of service and click Continue Account Setup to proceed here. The next step is to enable the two-step authentication, a crucial step in Shopify payment setup to enhance security and protect your bank and business information. Once you've completed the initial two steps, you'll gain access to the third step, which involves adding your bank information where you'll receive your payouts. Now that your setup is complete, let's explore the Shopify Payments page. Right at the top, you'll notice standard rates based on your specific Shopify plan. The higher your plan, the lower the rates, leading to more savings on each order. Just below that, you can choose the major credit cards you want to accept for purchases in your store. Pick the ones that work best for your customers. Shopify Payments also offers other payment methods such as ShopPay, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and MetaPay. This gives your customers more options to pay comfortably. Now to decide how you get your payouts, whether it's daily or weekly, head to the payout settings. You can also set your notifications for each payout here. Keeping your transactions safe is vital. So in this section, you can set up measures to prevent any fraudulent activities in your store. Make sure your customers recognize your store on their bank statement. Now, if you're curious and want to see how the buying process works on your store, you can use the test mode. It's a great way to familiarize yourself. Now, if for any reason you need to change things up, scroll to the very bottom. You have the option to deactivate Shopify Payments or switch to a different payment provider here. Feel free to navigate through these options and tailor them to best suit your store and customers. When using Shopify Payments, you need to provide certain details about yourself and your business to comply with regulations. This helps ensure the platform is used by legitimate merchants and prevents financial crimes. Shopify or its partners may request additional information as rules evolve. This information and documents varies by country, but typically includes details about you, your business, and its ownership. For verification, clear and valid documents are crucial. For personal identity and home address, two separate documents may be needed. They should be in color, not expired, and show all details clearly. For businesses, official registration documents with clear business information are required. That's it for setting up Shopify payments. Now you're all set to smoothly handle transactions and provide a seamless shopping experience for your customers. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more insightful tutorials. Feel free to drop any questions or thoughts in the comments below. Happy selling and see you in the next video.